afternoon. I just got out of the shower and I ate breakfast before that. And then I've been texting my bots and I have to go an hour early tonight. So this vlog is probably going to be not a lot of me. Yeah. We'll see what happens. I'll try and vlog a lot. I'm watching Saved by the Bell. Because why not? Not that you can tell that that's Saved by the Bell. But yeah. Trying to straighten the hair even though my battery is dying. But I have my straightener. So I'll show you the finished product. Oh look, my hair's straight now. Yay! This is the slow process of me getting ready for work. I wish you could see the battery going beep, 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 beep. It's flashing gray. I guess that means I should charge my battery before I go to work. I'm gonna do that.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just here at my apartment. I just dried my hair with the blow dryer. That's probably why it's so poofy. But yeah, I'm not doing very much right now. I just got the video uploaded for yesterday onto YouTube, and I'm about to tackle the dishes because they need to be done really bad because there's like a pile of them in both sinks because I haven't done them because I've just been doing stuff lately. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then not too long from that, I'm going to go to the game. So I will see you guys there, and let's all hope for a mission to win tonight.
I'm off to work. It's sunny outside. It's 104 degrees according to my car. And my windows are dirty again. Stupid trees.
I was just not sitting here on my couch, just kind of like taking a break for a second, because my back was hurting and whatnot. Anyways, I was sitting here and I was looking at my leg and I was like, huh, that's a weird bruise. I don't know where I got that from. And then I remembered, oh yeah, a dog bit me earlier. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think he did it on purpose, but it still made me mad. Because he was barking and barking at someone, not someone, well, I mean another dog. And yeah, I had him by the collar and I was holding him back because I didn't know if he was going to be mean to the dog or what. Anyways, yeah, he kind of like turned as he was barking and kind of bit me at the same time. He's just like this big Doberman Pinscher thing, so his mouth is really large. But yeah, look. It's actually really, it's like blue and purple and red and crazy. But yeah. Oh well. Doggies at work are mean sometimes. Just kidding. They're not mean. They just have accidents. Just like people. Oh well.
Damn it.
You didn't ask!
You didn't think to grab it while the big wall of dust was coming our way?
The tarp ripped in half.
Yeah, that's not going to do them any good. The second they were bringing that out there in this wind.
Here it comes again.
Another blast?
Yeah, it's fine. Are any of our guys out there? Is that Adam?
Yeah, Adam's out
Yeah,
there.
Adam's out there.
You guys want to go out there and see if we can help?
No, he told us to stay here. He told us to stay inside.
Well then fine.
Is that rain or is that
That's
dirt?
dust.
That's dust.
I'm going to go talk to our Channel 4 guys. Okay, just call me.
Damn.
Well, there goes our game.
Yeah, bye.
Doing some more
This
of
Rich.
the tarp action.
These kids are loving
The gator totally just moved and somebody wiped out and I forgot to film that.
Yeah, we are.
See you guys.
Make the highlight reel. What? I think she did, but this one, I don't know.
I don't think this one is... I don't think I got him falling.
You don't got
I wish
Damn.
I wish I would have.
Oh, and I got the other gator. Like, that's going to really help.
That's
Like
just gonna make it worse.
That's gonna make it worse.
That
yeah.
sounds like a bad idea.
That sounds like a bad omen. Okay, is that dust or is that rain over there?
I don't know.
Look how dark it is. And how that is ugly. You need to cancel the game. This is not good.
All the baseball players are watching this
Yeah.
go down.
They're all like this. They're all placing
He's
bets.
like,
They're
they're
like-
like, do this and it's funny.
They're all placing bets. Like, let's
Let's
do a
see.
slip and slide, guys. Let's see how many mission staff it takes
To get this tarp on
Yeah, get this
in
tarp
two
on.
pieces.
And then see how many of them wipe out. One so far.
Wipe out. We should have a wipe out counter.
Yeah.
It's at 1.
It's at 1, man. Oh man, it sounds like the wind settled down.
No, it's still
No.
blowing. Look at the flags.
But it wasn't blowing as hard as it was earlier.
No, it's still pretty much black.
Rain,
Might be
rain,
moving.
go
It might be
away.
moving maybe west.
Come again when there's no baseball game. Oh my god, it's dark. But it's sunny over there. This is scary. I don't think it's windy now, guys. Tornado right now. Oh, it's wind and dust and crap going around everywhere. Come on.
See if Carrie can find out.
The clouds look really awesome.
Don't forget the plus.
Really
See you next
awesome.
time.
It's like the calm before the storm, after the storm, hopefully.
Ask your mom to make
It
an
looks
appointment.
really dark back there.
LPT starts right here at a
And
tooth
over
doctor
there.
for kids.
And there was lightning back there a minute ago. But over here, it's really nice looking. Let's go for this side.
The sky, the clouds, everything.
Ice cream
Those look good.
and baseball. Yeah, they are. Okay.
Nate caught a fly ball. Whoa!
Yeah!
Oh, give it up one time for Big Vision Training.
Let's go!
We need to get a hit.
One hit, that's all we need. Everyone attack him!
Whoever told him. Who told him?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
When he said why, he needs to go over and tell him now. That's why.
Yeah! Bottom of the freaking 14th. Missions win, finally. Yeah, Dean! Well, the scoreboard ran out of room, so they had to start it over because it's the top of the 11th. I wish I was kidding. There's Hayden.
So after a rain delay, the game went to 14 innings. It is almost 1 a.m. and I am just leaving and going home and sleeping as soon as I send these videos to Julie. Good night, guys.